Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to earn points on the official Shein application. This is a very simple thing to do guys and to get started, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shein application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. So guys, after downloading the application and opening it up, you want to go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account, now you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the Shein application, as you can see, which is the shop page where you can see all the items that you can purchase. So guys, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see all the sections and pages you can access, such as shop. You can see the category right here, new option, cart, me, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and get started with seeing how to earn points and exchange those points later on for bonuses and discounts. So guys, basically it all revolves around one thing, and it's basically just using the application. Yeah, basically all you have to do is to just go ahead and use the application. So what do I mean by that guys? You get points for doing basically anything. So if you go ahead and order something, let's go ahead and say you find an item that you want to order and you buy this item right here. You can go ahead and open up the item, order it, and after you receive it, you're going to go ahead and get points for purchasing the item. So after you purchase the item, now you can go ahead and write a review in the me section right here. Go ahead and click on review guys, and here you will be able to go ahead and write reviews for items you purchased, and you will also be rewarded points for doing that. So you get points for basically doing anything. You can fill out surveys. As you can see, you can even share to earn right here. That is also one of the options, and at the top of the screen you can see you receive 100 points for verified emails. So basically doing anything guys is going to reward you points, so just keep on using the application and you will get the points in no time. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.